everyone. You are all welcome to this English lesson. Last time we looked at the past tense of irregular verbs. Now, in today's lesson, we are going to look at how we are going to use the past tense of those irregular verbs in sentences. But before we begin this lesson, we are going to recite a simple English song, and you all know the song. So we begin. Trees in the forest stood. Along came a man with axe, to chop. The trees fell down and the leaves went up. If you critically listen to that song, there are some words or verbs that are used in the past tense. One of them is stood. Stood is the past tense of stand. Then there is another verb. The trees fell down. Fell is the past tense of fall. So all these are examples of irregular verbs, and we looked at them in the other previous lesson. So today we are going to use the irregular verbs which are already in the brackets to complete the sentences. Let's read the instruction. Use the words or verbs in the brackets to complete the sentences. Mika dashed my juice when I was sleeping. In brackets, drink. What is the past tense of drink? Drunk. Very good. We spell drunk. D-R-A-N-K. Drunk. The students dashed the national anthem when the president arrived. In brackets, sing. This word here is sing. So what is the past tense of sing? Sang. And what is the spelling? S-A-N-G. Sang. The word is sang, or the verb is sang. Number 3. He dashed to Mbarara yesterday. Go. Since here we have the word yesterday, what is the yesterday tense of go? It is went. Went. He went to Mbarara yesterday. We spell the word went. W-E-N-T. Went. Good. Number 4. Her uncle dashed to Masaka last Monday. What is the yesterday tense of drive? It is drove. Drove. We spell the word drove. G-R-O-V-E. Drove. Good. Number 5. Mercy dashed a terrible dream last night. Have. We looked at the past tense of have, and we said the past tense of have is had. Had. H-A-D. H-A-D. And the verb is had. We dashed a big elephant in the zoo last night. In brackets, see. The past tense of see is saw. Saw. Who can spell saw? It's S-A-W. Not S-O-W. This one has another meaning. And we shall look at this when we come to animals and their animals, females and males. We shall see that a sow is the name given to a female pig. A female pig is called a sow. To sow is also to plant seeds. To plant is to sow. So master this spelling very well. I dash all the work by myself. In brackets, do. The past tense of do is did. Did. D-I-D. Did. The wind dashed the roof of our house last night. In brackets, blow. So the past tense of blow is blew. Blue. Not blue the color, not this blue. This is a homophone. A color, this one. This is not what I'm talking about. It is B-L-E-W. Blue. The wind blew the roof of our house last night. We go to the last number. The thief was dashed on the leg last The word in bracket is should. So, the past tense of should is short. The thief was short. You drop one O and it becomes short. The thief was short on the leg last Monday. Now, this is not the end of all the work. Remember, these verbs, they are very many. In the next lesson, we are going to look at more verbs and their past tense. We cannot finish all of them in 2 lessons. Thank you for listening.